Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hummus tasty. We'll start with the foundational ingredients. Always choose high-quality tahini for a deep, nutty flavor and fresh lemon juice for brightness. Using good quality chickpeas is crucial for the base, and don't forget fresh garlic cloves for that essential aromatic kick. These simple, yet impactful choices make a huge difference in your final product, ensuring a truly delicious experience. Achieving that silky smooth texture is key to delicious hummus. A top tip is to peel your chickpeas. It takes a little time but makes a huge difference. When blending, add a few ice cubes to help emulsify and create an airy consistency. Blend for at least 3 to 5 minutes, scraping down the sides until it's incredibly smooth. You can also add 1 or 2 tablespoons of cold water to reach your desired thickness. Now, let's talk about elevating those flavors. Cumin is a must-have, adding a warm, earthy depth that truly defines hummus. For a subtle kick, a pinch of cayenne pepper works wonders. Don't hesitate to blend in fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro for a vibrant, fresh note. You can also experiment with roasted red peppers or sun-dried tomatoes for unique and delicious variations. Finally, let's perfect your hummus for serving. A generous drizzle of high-quality extra virgin olive oil is essential for both flavor and presentation. Garnish with a sprinkle of paprika, sumac, or fresh chopped herbs like parsley. Serve your delicious creation with warm pita bread, crisp fresh vegetables, or your favorite crackers. Allowing it to rest for about 30 minutes lets all those wonderful flavors truly meld together.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.